Alright, people. Maybe I cut out them wheelie them, I don't know. But there's something that I say to the man them while I make my way down here. So. You might see me a wheelie. Police are come. You might see me a wheelie and I do my thing. But I want to remember this. You see, all of this when I do it comes with a cost. You see me? This comes with a cost. Nobody thinks me just pick up bike and wheelie so. So I want to tell the young youth them. Because no found I go see me I do what me I do and think so oh no can just go out there and just wheelie too. You know come so brother. You come at a cost. You have to commit yourself, you have to protect yourself. You see me? You can't just go out there and say you go wheelie or you go try wheelie and you do it on the open road, brother. No. Stick to your little lane, go somewhere where you know where not really have much vehicular traffic. Probably no vehicular traffic if possible. Where police end there? Come on, go back that way there now. Can't just go so. You see me? Find somewhere where no vehicular traffic there or something like so. Look, nah, dude. Try to make the SCC and have on a plate in a bad charge. Yeah. So, the man then just do the right thing, people. Nobody see a man do a thing and jump and follow them. You see me? Learn, know what go on first. Learn what go on. And, you see me? Just go and take on the time and do the thing, dog. Nobody jump and go up there and try to do something and next man I do, brother. You see me? Don't do that, it will put you in a problem. You see it? And them a shake your van to get more gas in it. Cha-cha! Just want the man them to be safe, you see me? A new year, 2024. You see it? Alright, I go wheelie there, feel sweet or frig. Yeah man bro, we just have to do it the right way, huh? Yeah man. That is it. Eh? We do what? I remember say I know everything suit everybody, you know. And that me just there have like an attack say, you know. Me nah say it, no if it try it. Can't try it. Yeah. Yeah. Right now me just beat my record. Me don't show really long. Me frightened dog. And a foot brake me I use. And me have it calm in a ear. Eh? Me nah put it on, you know. Yeah, me love this, you know. But only thing me nah, then we failure though. Then I more for failure than the angle brake. And that them tell me. A school with them. Bombard. Full me up with some 87.
Of course that's school there.
Eh? Oh? You can't call it so. A cut and paste. Cut and paste. Right now, to me it sounds like it have burn out. But some people say still sound alright. But I don't know if I show me used to it. Bomba, that's so much gas bike, what? Oh yeah, me did right go so yesterday and come back. Bomba.
How much?
I 87 I put in there though. Yeah. Can me see Nigla run. Well, come on, look a bit more.
I'll buy this work with 2 shake it and go now.
Get a 70, go on, just one little press. And then now I give back my change, you know.
Service charge. Yo,
Guidance, you see me? So someone turn say never see me indicator. Look, lad. Oh, sir. You get your camera now. You get your camera now. Eh? You not post on YouTube. Where post every day them? You not post them? TikTok, where name on TikTok? Eh? Boy, I'm not tell. Oh, now look here. Oh, God. I said, no, look, you know, I say, yeah, machine. Yeah, guys, because him have him camera in a long way in a landscape farm. In a blood portrait farm. Like so good when it, watch out, you know, go look. Yeah! Yeah, man, the youth there, a farmer come from, you know, people. Yeah, man, me I follow the youth there from him riding little bike and then him buy one Honda. He buy one Honda 3 bills around 250. Yeah, man. I'll look him up later on the TikTok. You reach on the road fast and come up back and catch me though. Yeah. So anyways, guys, let's make this year a prosperous year in the biking community. You see me? The man them we are go, the man them we are skate out, ride out, whatever you wanna call it, wear on helmet, wear on gear. You see me? But here one thing that's crucial. One thing that is crucial, gear cannot protect stupidity. Gear cannot protect stupidity. And stupidity will get you killed. By this time, many, oh, this look like an electric BMW. It's fresh. By this time, a lot of persons should have seen the video with the youth on the bike. It happened in Portland. It happened on the 30th of December, which means that he was 1 day shy or 2 days shy of seeing the new year, and because of stupidity he did not see the new year. You know why I will call it stupidity? You know why I'll call it stupidity? Basically, he went ahead and did something that he wasn't ready to do. Just like me, where can't really properly per se. I am learning, and me can tell you, say, me now go certain place. It's like, alright, I saw me up on the road, me now go lift the bike and go like me hotter than anybody. Me not going to do it, because me know what me capable of doing. And in the learning process, anything can go wrong because you don't have full control over the bike when it's on one wheel. You might be a very good biker on two wheels, yeah, but one wheel is a total different thing. You see me? Total different thing. What the hell was that for? I like yes or no. When I dig off a stoplight, you know me not gonna lift it. Cause anything can happen. Anything can happen, dog. Anything can happen. So man, just have to know them place and know when to do certain things, dog. You see, wheelie thing, it's nice, you know. It's nice, you're frig. It's nice. Oh, I'm going up there, so. Look, now be a traffic. Yo, my brake just a pulsate in my hand. Road a bend. You see me? While out tonight. Party in my house tonight. And if you suck me, I find out tonight. Aye! Out in the blue. Kakiki. What the blood not that going? I remember this traffic.
See me win cause I was one of them before. Lord knows, about to go up, I just gotta make it hit. Carolina kid, you know I gotta represent. Hoping God can save me, knowing what I'm doing is a sin. I don't need no help, forget a hand out in the friend to the end. People hurt me and I'm scared so I can get attached. Some people down, I get this